it just depends on what your criteria for loss is, right? Criteria for loss was not कि medical college में वो तो पहुंच गया. Criteria for loss is the opportunity to be in an environment that is considered to be the best academic environment in the world, right? ये चीजें जो होती हैं, it makes a difference. I have trained in a community hospital for first year of my life, and I've trained in a university hospital for the rest of it. And I can tell you there's a huge amount of difference. जो subtler difference होते हैं around you. People you're surrounded with. I mean, I wish आप Friday को यहाँ पे होते. I was attending the faculty convocations at MD Anderson here, and the amount of brilliance that there was. There were people who had done their PhDs on what they had done their PhDs on. There were people who had done years of basic science research and what works they had done. उनकी क्या impact हुआ है on the treatment of cancer, और उनका क्या vision है for the future. Or you know, that is, I was sitting there and looking at them, and that meant so much more than a paycheck, right? कि इन लोगों ने मतलब है where have they reached? Well, they're reaching for totally unknown frontiers. Only people who can do that is जिनका mind अच्छा होता है, you know, and if you give your mind a good nurturing environment. लेकिन अगर आपने अपना goal नहीं रखा हुआ है at 3 feet above the ground, तो फिर कोई फायदा नहीं है इन discussions का, right? अगर आपका if your vision is not कि सितारों से आगे जहाँ और भी हैं, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी, so मतलब ये तो वो है, इकबाल ने कहा था कि मोमिन की जो निगाह है, it's beyond the stars. It's not on the trivial pursuits जिसके अंदर हम पड़े हैं. So I don't know यार, मतलब I sometimes get concerned.
Get what?
Concerned on the logic of human decision making. So मुझे सिर्फ ये है कि I don't want you to suffer through a serious mental situation, which I don't think you are. मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि तुम हो. You feel you are, but you're not.
You'll be okay. हमको तो आज बोला कि I have a couple of good friends, very good friends.
नहीं, लेकिन I think he's right. एक चीज़ ये है कि presence जो है ना of family members and faces, अगर वो थोड़ी frequent हो ना, so it keeps everything sort of alive. So one of my proposals was कि तकरीबन, you know, once a month, one of the family members commits to visit you. Whether it's Anam or Danish or Shaukat or Kamal or myself or Komal or Osama, महीने में एक दफा somebody should just get a ticket and go over for a weekend.
नहीं, ये भी तो डिस्कस होना चाहिए कि इस चीज का सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा. I mean, you know, nobody is talking about that. Everybody has accepted, okay, yeah, and then okay, that's it. अब let's say कि अगर ये
मेरा ख्याल है कि ये this is one solution for it. It might help.
शौकत क्या लेंगी कमल भाई? और दूसरा मैं जैसे अभी कह रही थी इसको किसी को भी कि वकार, मैंने आपको इसलिए कहा कि बेटा समझ के दैट जब मैं फील करती हूँ, मैंने आई बीन ऑनेस्ट विद यू एंड आई होप यू नो आपको बुरा ना कोई लगा, बिकॉज़ आई थिंक ऑफ यू जस्ट लाइक उसामा, कहेंगे यू नो मैं उसके लिए भी कभी ऐसा नहीं चाहूँगी. एंड जैसे मैंने कहा पता नहीं हो जाएगा अगले साल, मैं तो बिल्कुल ही मम्मा के पास तो भी वो छोटी है, मेरे घर में तो कोई भी नहीं है, अगले साल वो चला जाएगा तो nobody is going to be home.
Yeah, of course.
So you have Sarah here. So.
नहीं मगर वो कहने को है कि एक शहर में है, मगर मैं कई दफा इसको मैं फिर उधर चली जाती हूँ, हम लोग वीकेंड पे उस तरफ खाना खाने चले जाते हैं, इसको लिया हमारे साथ खाना खा लो और उसको देख लिया.
But you're right, it does make a difference.
दूध ला दो.
Being in town makes a difference for the parents.
ये क्या सुपरमैन है?
Oh yeah.
अगर तो तुम ये कर रहे हो अपने parents के लिए, right? You think that your parents need you, and you're doing that. You better be very clear with your parents about it. Do they really need you? और अगर वो कहें कि जी हम तुम्हारे बगैर नहीं रह सकते और you have to come back, that's a different story, right? Like, it should be very clear. Because discussions about these things have to be very clear. तो अगर तो तुम ये if your parents have told you that, अगर वो तुम्हारे बगैर नहीं रह सकते,
आपको तो अच्छी लगती है,
फिर अब इसके ऊपर तो मैं I can't say, फिर वो नहीं रह सकते तुम्हारे बगैर।
ये क्या है?
तो then I should be having that talk with them. कि गुजर जाएगा ये वक्त, don't worry.
आपको मैं दूसरी
नहीं I'm all right.
Same here.
कावा पियेंगी, चाय क्या पियेंगी?
So it just
नहीं
that's weird about.
Oh my god.
Before we came here.
पक्की बात?
When you talk to me, जब मुझसे तुमने अगर कोई advice लेनी है, then you have to be straightforward with the data.
What more?
किस डेटे पे हम ये फैसला करें? Right? My mom never wanted me to. But she still cries when she talks to me. Right? She says like,
She didn't want you to leave the
no, कौन सी माँ चाहती है कि उसका बेटा जाए? Who's this? Is there a mom in this world who wants that?
I guess probably not.
Nobody. No mom, especially at the stage she is at, right? You know, लेकिन when she thought that that was something we had to do, और हमारे उनकी psychologically उनके खानदान में तो that was a very bad experience when my eldest mamu went to England. He was like 15 or 16 years old, or he never came back. So my nani always used to lament that. No, my mom was her oldest son, the one she loved the most, or favorable tha unka. Or he was the one who would actually run all the matters in the household. सारे problems उसके पास जाते थे. He was the final decision maker in जब वो चले गए, there was a huge dynamic problem in the family. Okay, he was taken out of the situation, or everybody felt that absence. So people had to step up, right? My second mamu had to step up. My nani had to step up. But nani always would say, ke, oh ji, because he went to England. So she would discourage us by saying, ke, और जो मर्जी करियो तो विलायत ना चाहिए, because मेरा बड़ा पुत्र गया सीधे वापस नहीं आया. Right? So there are so many undercurrents that happen in your life that you start to think about. So अगर तो अगर तो ये तुम्हारा ख्याल है कि तुम्हें तो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, there's an issue on academic level, there's an issue on your level, and there's an issue on your parents' level. So then we can, I mean, if you want to analyze those things, we can analyze them, but they are what they are.
Yeah.
I mean, Aksi ki level pe issue है, is she bothering you कि तुम यहाँ पे नहीं हो?
No, she's actually been very supportive of me staying there. That's really not the case. And honestly, it's all like me, really, who's missing Sarah and mom and dad and Anandana.
I know you are. Maybe if we say कि हर महीने कोई ना कोई आ जाएगा, would that make a difference, or would that be too much trouble for you? I mean, I'm willing to come once. If we are like 8 people here, I'm willing to come once every 6 months. मेरी बारी 6 महीने में